Hi, I'm David, and I'm joined by Mary Short. Hi, Mary.
Hi.
And Mary is kind enough to share with us what her journey has been like to and through A Course in Miracles. So, yeah, Mary, I guess just have a few questions for you. Um, First is how you got started with the course.
Well, it was about 4 years ago. I was going to a small unity church, and a woman from the church asked me to join this group they were attending, and they were reading a book called The Course in Miracles, and loved the title. So I thought, oh, I'll check it out, and went and did not have a clue about anything I was reading for the whole year, and had a lot of questions, of which no one could answer in the group. We were all fairly new and never thought to ask Jesus the meaning. And so I was really hungry. And after about a year, I went online and I found David Hoffmeister, who answered a lot of my questions. I learned that there was a loving God, not a punishing God, and a God who loved you and didn't judge you. Um, and then I went uh, I went further and I found Nook Sanchez and Corrine Walson, and they were doing a daily lesson. So I started listening to them and ended up doing their 12-month transformation program, where we deep dived into all the subjects like atonement and ego system, projection, fear of God, et cetera, for 12 months. And it really transformed my life. And Nook Sanchez is actually the way that I did find the joining circles. She had sent a link to a friend of mine. So we both got on and I ended up joining.
So that's beautiful. So, what do you see that's different about the light circles from anything that you've done in the past?
The first thing is that I learned that I could talk to Jesus and I could actually hear an answer back. I could hear his voice. And the joining circles always emphasize to speak the voice of Jesus. So I've learned how to speak what I hear from him. And that has been an amazing adventure in itself. The second thing is that these joining circles are so powerful. To join with these mighties who have a very clear intent and goal to hear the voice and speak the voice and ask and listen and follow the guidance. And it's just a very wonderful deep dive to uh, uncover all the hidden desires that block the light and block your holy self. I have learned whenever I join, I go from fear to love, confusion to clarity, from upsets to peace. And that carries me throughout the whole day. And if an upset comes up, I know what to do. I just go to Jesus, ask where that hidden desire is, and bam, the light, as Kay says, the light is always there. But there's always an instant relief. Yeah. And
Wonderful.
yeah, it's wonderful.
What has Jesus taught you about performing miracles? Not only in light circles, but even when joining with a mighty companion.
Well, according to the Course of Miracles, miracle is actually the change of, perception of your mind, the change in the mind, correcting the error in your mind. So, um, bit by bit, I have learned that to go to Jesus to do that, for one thing, not just do it on my own. Second of all, if I get stuck or feel like I just cannot hear, the first thing I do is call a mighty companion. And it has never failed. Jesus has never failed to give me clarity by joining. And that's the miracle in itself, is to get the answer, I think. And then it just changes. I mean, it feels like a domino tower, a house of cards, where you get that bottom root desire and you collapse that error, and the whole house goes down, like years and years of this belief. So that is the power of the circles and of joining with Jesus, the miracles. Yeah. So very, very grateful to all the experiences and the people that have gotten me to this place. Very grateful.
That is beautiful. Yeah. Thank you so much for your willingness to join and share your experience, as it's always helpful for healing the whole mind.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.